and welcome to Cryssberry Reviews once again. So today we are going to see quick and easy ways of drawing winged eyeliner. So you have many options to draw eyeliners, like you have gel eyeliners, you have eyebrow pencils, you have liquid eyeliners, and you have sketch eyeliners. For those of you who find it difficult to draw using liquid and gel eyeliners, you could better go for pencil or sketch eyeliners. Preferably sketch eyeliners are easier for beginners. Here in this video, I'm going to be using a simple liquid eyeliner from Lakme. It's Lakme's Insta eyeliner. So along with it, we will also see a simple eye makeup. So without further delay, shall we start? Then let's go. So I'm going to be using this green shade. It's a shimmering shade. So I'm using this flat eyeshadow brush, and starting from the middle of my eyes, I work towards the corners. Just smoothen it with your fingers. If there is any excess, you can just slowly, gently wipe it off. Okay. Now we are using the Lakme Insta eyeliner in black color. Look carefully. I will be drawing a line. Half the eye, okay? Okay. From here, just draw a line like this carefully and let it dry. Now I'm using Lakme Blue Insta eyeliner. Just start by here. To connect it. Then you just fill it up. Now the minor corrections we can do. That's it. Now we will use this green pencil. It's a eyeliner pencil from Blue Heaven. So we will just draw a line starting from here. use a black pencil, join it from here, just a simple eyeliner pencil. We will use a mascara to complete the look. To remove any excess, you could just use a tissue and do like this. So that your lashes, actually straighten out and looks better than, like clumped together. And we are ready. So, hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. It encourages me to make more and more videos like this. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.